Today we'll be reviewing and unboxing the Jeda Wireless Pad version 3. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also click on subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and click on the notification bell to be notified of new videos being released on this channel. One thing to note about Jeda products on their packaging, they're very minimalistic. Pretty much they are like an Apple product in this way, is it only contains the product, some cellophane in the box. Also, when you go to remove the top piece of the box off, you'll feel a slight suction pulling against the air on the inside, so it'll take a little effort to remove. On the inside, you're faced with the Jetta red back, along with the plastic feet that go into the mounting bracket of your Tesla. That way it stays nice and secure. Those little foot pads. In the box are the instructions, and micro USB to USB cables are included, 2 of them. Okay, now we'll need to remove the old charger. And where the phone bay is, you'll want to slide the cover for the wire cover to the left. I actually have a Jetta spacer already installed with this setup, so I could charge wirelessly on the left and wire via lightning cable on the right for my wife.
So we're gonna find.
Now let's disconnect the wires for the charging pad and the lightning connector from my Jetta Hub. With those disconnected, we can pull up on the charging pad. And both wires are the same size, so we'll need to have a little slack. Pull one wire out at a time. Both USB connectors won't go out at the same time. With the micro USB to USB-C cable plugged in, we see that these pads line up with the phone tray in the same place, make a secure fit. Now we'll fish the USB-C end down to the Jetta Hub. May have to play around a little bit there to get to line up. Place the charging pad down, pull the wire connector up. Alright, now put the cover on top the spacer to have the cable locked in and provide a ledge for the phones. Pull the top of the phone lid down, and now we'll plug the USB-C into the Jetta Hub USB-C connector. You may need a little light, it is kind of hard to see down there, everything being black. Okay, the red cable is now plugged into USB-C port. Now time to hook up the lightning cable for the wire connection. And that's all there is to it. And I also put a link for the Jetta USB Hub down below in the description. And now to test. We'll start testing wirelessly with the iPhone 8. There it shows now the wire connection with the iPhone 6s, and it's showing it's charging as well. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also, please click on subscribe and click on the notification bell to receive notifications when we have new videos for the channel. Also, I'll include links to products and accessories in this video, including the red micro USB to USB-C connecting cable. Also, I'll include links to the Jeda USB Hub that I've put into my Model 3 and used in this review. It helps to increase the number of ports that you can plug into for your devices, and provides USB-C connectors instead of just USB-A connectors for your Tesla. Please go to getjetta.com for additional product information, both on the wireless pad and also the USB hub, and review the Jetta products FAQ for both the Jetta USB hub and the Jetta wireless charging pad that were featured today. And thank you for your time.